Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's take a look again at the euro currency. This is the daily time frame. Well, yesterday we have seen the gap open on the market. The market has reached our first area that we have discussed in our weekly research scenario of combination that includes weekly pivot point. It's right here, 126.12, and nearest fib resistance, 126.21. So that was the first area of resistance. The market has hit it, detached the weekly pivot point, tested it, and continue move to the downside. In general, currently, it's very difficult to predict will market show some deeper upward retracement or not, but on the daily time frame there are some changes that has happened from the Friday price action. First of all, take a look at this Friday's candle. Some could call it as the reversed hammer pattern. Okay, and recent price action of the yesterday's trading session and current trading session stands almost inside within the range of this pattern. Close and open price stands inside of the range of this candle. So market stands in some consolidation. Market now is not at oversold since it has drifted to the right side, and you can see that level of oversold now stands much lower than current price action. We also know that market stands at some support that we have discussed also in our weekly research. So the one thing that has changed is the trend break-even point. So that red line is the MACD derivative indicator. It shows the price at which MACD indicator will show the line crossing, some kind of the break-even point of the trend. Now you can see trend holds bearish since price action stands below this red line, but the break-even point has drifted much closer to the market than it was on Friday. It's right here, and that's why this level becomes most significant. Because if market will break this level to the upside, it will shift the trend on the bullish on the daily time frame to the bullish. That will add some problems with the entering on the short side of the market, especially if you will use as the context the daily time frame. Another area that was our preferable area to watch for is this one, because this is the daily confluence resistance around 127 area that also stands very close to the weekly pivot resistance 1. And when market retraces during the long and solid bearish trend, it usually retraces either to the pivot point, test pivot point and continue move to the downside, or if market will show some deeper retracement, it retraces to the weekly pivot resistance 1. So again, on the daily time frame it's difficult to say. Currently this market's just calling around 125.30 area. It's very difficult to say will show some upward move or not, but that is two levels to watch for. If market will retest at this level, this probably could be used to enter short with a small position, and more attention should be attached to this level, and major position, short position should be opened right here. Well, on the 4-hour time frame also there is not much information. This is our butterfly that we have discussed. Our stop grabber pattern that we also have discussed has worked nice. So tops, this top and this top have been cleared out by this move to the upside and testing of the weekly pivot point. There is another reason why I like this level. Take a look. If you will stick with this butterfly pattern, the ultimate target of the reversal butterfly pattern is the 1618 extension of the whole butterfly move in the opposite direction. And you can see that 1618 extension stands precisely at the same area. So if market will start to acceleration to the upside, that will be really interesting level to watch for, and I also will prefer to see the end of the retracement right here. Also you can see that this is the previous swing low, stands also around that area. That's significant. So if market will reach this level, well, I will closely look for potential reversal pattern and potential patterns that could trigger a short position from that level. On the hourly time frame, in fact, there's no much to comment. You can see that calling price action inside of some range, or probably it's very difficult to call it as diamond pattern since market hasn't shown the spike in the middle of it. But anyway, you can see some kind of the support that is market is showing in this area. So if probably if market will take out this low and will close and will hold below this low, we could probably say that in this case probably retracement could be over and market really could continue move to the downside. If this will be really so, if market will break this line, close below the swing low and will hold there, and probably we could expect a deeper continuation to the downward. But until this level holds, it means that the low of this pattern on the daily time frame also holds, and that gives some possibility for price for bulls that probably market could show some deeper retracement. So currently I do not see any significant patterns on the market that we could stick with, that we could trade. It's just some calling around support area that we have discussed. So it's better probably to wait a bit. So if you would like to enter short, I suppose that we should wait for some continuation to the upward to our major area of resistance around 127 area, or breakout of this previous low and holding market below it. In this case probably it will give us some confidence that we could count on some deeper continuation. Also we can't enter on the long side of the market because daily trend holds bearish still, and we have now context for the trading on the long side of the market. So it's a bit flat trading session. Also there was a holiday yesterday in most countries, that's why the market was thin. So I think that we should monitor and wait a bit. Maybe today tomorrow trading session will give us some clear view on the market.